Solar Energy Storage Outlook 2023 and beyond. Residential solar energy storage. The residential solar energy storage market has seen rapid growth in recent years thanks to falling costs and supportive policies. Key trends shaping the outlook include continued cost declines for lithium-ion batteries, the dominant residential storage technology. Prices fell nearly 50% from 2019 to 2022 and are projected to fall another 40–50% by 2030 according to Bloomberg NEF. This will drive increased adoption. Solar mandates for new homes going into effect in an increasing number of states, requiring installations to include storage or be storage ready. For example, California has mandated solar and storage for new homes starting in 2020. Similar policies are being considered across the U.S. Incentives and rebates from utilities and state-federal programs to make storage more affordable. These will further boost economics for homeowners. Grid resiliency becoming a higher priority for homeowners after disruptive events like wildfires and storms. Interest in solar plus storage for backup power is rising significantly. Together, these trends point to strong continued growth in the residential storage market. Installations could reach over 5 gigawatt-hours (GWh) annually in the U.S. alone by 2025, as projected by Wood Mackenzie, up from only 0.5 gigawatt-hours in 2019. 2. Commercial solar energy storage. The commercial solar plus storage market also looks very promising over the next 5+ years. Improving economics from the same battery cost declines as the residential market. Commercial-scale lithium-ion systems have fallen 35% annually since 2016 per BNEF. Rising demand for resiliency since grid outages have very high financial impacts. Solar plus storage can provide backup power to keep essential lights, refrigeration, and other critical loads running. Increasing use of solar plus storage to reduce high peak demand charges, which make up over half the average commercial electric bill. By cutting peak loads, solar plus storage can yield significant utility cost savings. Supportive state policies requiring more on-site renewables and storage. Numerous state targets and mandates for commercial solar plus storage adoption have been enacted or proposed across the U.S., accelerating demand. Given these drivers, Wood Mackenzie expects over 3.5 gigawatt-hours per year of new commercial solar plus storage by 2025 just in the U.S., more than 6 times 2019 levels. Additional rapid growth is expected globally as costs continue to fall. 3. Agricultural, livestock solar energy storage. Solar plus storage also provides value streams for agricultural applications and livestock operations. Agriculture. Storage enables greater self-consumption of solar energy and provides backup for critical loads like irrigation systems. This improves economics and resilience. Time of use management with storage allows shifting solar energy to higher value periods. This can significantly improve bill savings. Solar plus storage systems can provide off-grid power where grid access is limited, benefiting a wide variety of farming applications. Livestock. Storing excess solar energy allows reliable power for ventilation, lighting, milk refrigeration, and other needs during grid outages. Solar plus storage reduces electric bills through peak shaving and demand charge management for livestock operations. Many sites face high demand charges. The modularity and ease of deployment of solar plus storage makes it a practical solution for off-grid livestock watering and electric fencing as well. While data is limited, early evidence suggests strong growth potential for agricultural and livestock storage capacity, reaching cumulative deployments measured in gigawatt-hours globally before 2030. Economics are becoming increasingly compelling, and state-federal grants provide additional incentives in many regions. In summary, the outlook is bright for solar energy storage across all segments: residential, commercial, and agricultural. Continued technology improvements and favorable policies are expected to drive rapid capacity growth over the next decade.